Hello everyone, my name is Sam Musa and I'm here to present to you the eye tracker for disabled in the Management Information Systems and Technology course. I divided this presentation into 5 main sections. The first is the context, second, technology, third, competitive environment, fourth, economics, and finally, organizational implementation. In the context section, I highlighted 3 main key points. The first is the organization. I found an online organization by the name of National Organization on Disability. What I liked about it is that it assists about 56 million individuals with different disabilities. What's interesting, 80% of those can find a job. What problems motivating to this innovation is 4 key points, which ties into my personal experience. My grandfather, before he died, he was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes, which highlights those key points. First, he was unable to communicate when it comes to painful medication, not working treatments. Mobility, he was unable to move, which makes it hard. When it comes to a medical device, costs are skyrocketing. In technology, usually it's complicated. In the case of the eye tracker, it's otherwise, and I'll show you how. When it comes to industry partners, there are 3 that are my main concern. There are hospitals, which can be used for communicating with patients, to doctors, families, and research when it comes to national organizations such as the National Organization on Disability. When it comes to the technology section, as you can see in the mid of the slide, this is what makes up the eye tracker. It comes into 5 pieces: the glasses frame, camera, tablet or a PC, software, and products that can be used with the eye tracker. The glasses frame mounts the camera, which tracks the eye movement, which translates to the icons on the tablet or a PC, which executes the command using the software. The products can be a speaker, which helps the patient speak, communicate with doctors, family members. The phone, which is used as the communication when it comes to an emergency, calls doctors, calls the police, calls family members. With utilization, could be lights and doors. In terms of light, and open doors that are automated. When it comes, it also can be used as real-time documentation research for doctors to look up patient documentation. And it can be used for cognitive studies, training simulation, and fatigue detection. As for competitive environments, I highlight 3 main points. Customer. It is very important to offer a customer advice that helps and satisfies the needs. For hospitals, it ties in the doctor to the patient, to the medication, and treatment. For offices, person can use it for looking up documents. It can be used as real-time document search. For offices and homes, it can be used to communicate with family members, use the doors, turn on the lights, as I mentioned earlier. I found a 2 competitors actually. Tobii, as you can see, their latest technology is the Tobii Pro glasses. If you look at the prices, it is quite the price. It ranges between $15,000 to $30,000. Let me highlight to you that this technology is only used for research intended purposes only. The Google glasses, it's about $1,200, and it's only used to show text messages, take pictures, and that's about it. Trade partners. We all know about China and India, how they offer relatively good quality at a cheaper price, at a fast rate for production, which comes into the offshoring and insourcing. As economics, as you can see, the cost of an eye tracker, it's about $1,700. It's between the Google glasses and the Tobii Pro. That is a big difference, though, which when it comes to the features that it offers. I highlighted 3 cases that I thought are very important, which, as an example, the best case, the worst case, and the most likely. I'm only going to highlight the best case. because this is what kind of might, if you look at the total, it would catch your attention. It has the lowest total, but if you pay attention, most of this goes into the aid and the sponsorship, whether it comes from family and and government grants. I also highlighted the cash flow between a comparison between the Tobii and the eye tracker. As you can see, since the eye tracker is a starting technology, for sure it's going to have low income and a low cash flow compared to an organization such as the Tobii. Finally, organization implementation. There are 3 key points. The first is the critical success factor. For me, customer is always number 1. Being able to offer a customer what they need, a device that fits the particular need for each individual, is the key. Cost, as I mentioned earlier, medical devices are very expensive and very costly. And then being able to offer a device that fits the need and affordable is a major success. Advertisement, showing what the customer will have and being able to feature the keys and the technology it would offer is very important. And the technology, showing how simple it is by the number of components and the software and the interface, is a critical success. And of course, the applications that utilized along with the technology. Another major risk are competitors, as China and India, trade partners as well. And I think manager not being focused on the tasks and not having the same goal orientation is also another major risk. And also the workforce are very important. When it comes to the timeline, research and development is very important. Proposal, I found a company by the Global Science Inc., which helps and assists medical devices such as the eye tracker, which also help produce the prototype as well as marketing. If you look at the graph at the lower hand side, this graph shows in 10 years from now, the advancement in technology will be about 1,000 times as fast as now. Reason I highlighted the Global Science Corporation is that I referred them to as someone's uncle, which kind of helps with the research, offering facilities, money, and marketing. In conclusion, the reason the eye tracker is so successful are highlighted in those key points. First, it's affordable. It is low cost with the features it offers. The software, it is very user-friendly. Multifunction, it highlights a lot. What I have right here are some of the key features included in the eye tracker. It is self-maintained, how it's long-term, and the components are reliable. It's also multi-users, like the kids, they can use it for training and learning. Teens, they can use it for interaction. Social media, adults, they can use it for research, and seniors can be used as aid. And of course, the disabled can be used as assistant device. When it comes to locating such a device, you can look it up, you can find it online, you can find it in stores, and of course, if you need more information on that, you can ask me and I'll direct you. The following slides are referenced which highlights the success of this project. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please ask me. Thank you.